and welcome to Prudent News. First a look at the headlines. RBI Goa budget analysis exposes government's estimate of fiscal deficit in current year. It is to be 2,000 crores and not 755 crores as estimated by state. Watch exclusive report. Coastal Police and Fisheries Department seized 11 fishing trawlers from Karnataka illegally fishing near Kudbon. Others flee from scene. Minister Ravartano admits lack of machinery. Fishing trawler submerges at Shapora River. Owners claim Senba during low tide has drowned his boat. Community demands stoppers in Shapora River. New rape laws won't help control crime against women. Strong, speedy, efficient justice delivering system must be convict accused. Prominent speakers speak out at Women's Commission seminar. And synthetic track of Pede ground under Lusophonia games faces brunt of Mapshakas. Locals say we already lost Duler ground, can't afford to lose Pede ground. And now the news in detail. Figure of the fiscal deficit in current years may actually be far more than the government's estimates. That's what the Reserve Bank's Goa budget analysis report says. Fiscal deficit estimated by the RBI is almost 3 times more than one estimated by the State Budget Department. RBI analysis says if current year Goa budget goes through as per the plan, fiscal deficit will touch a figure of 20 billion or 2,000 crores. State government has estimated it to just 755 crores. Watch exclusive report.
Reserve Bank of India analyses the state annual budgets every year and releases reports. The analysis reports on the current state budgets was released on Friday. Goa's budget analysis too figures in this report. Fiscal deficit reflects the capital raised by the government through market loans to implement infrastructure schemes. Central Fiscal Reform and Budget Management Act makes it mandatory for the states to keep the fiscal deficit within 3% mark of the state GDP. Accordingly, state government has estimated it to be 755 crores for the current fiscal, but RBI says the fiscal deficit would touch a 20 million rupee mark, that's 2,000 crores. Which is almost 85% of the state GDP, almost 300% above the mark. That's not all. Out of every 100 rupee of market loans raised on account of capital expenditure for infrastructure projects, 4 to 5 rupees are spent as an expenditure on the state administration and employees. The non-developmental expenditure of the state is also showing a rising trend. It's almost 10% rise a year. Past 3 fiscals, it has touched 22 billion from 17 billion rupees. Non-plan expenditure too is showing a similar trend. It has touched a 52 billion mark from 40 billion in past 3 years. The RBI has analyzed the state budget on the estimates prepared by the state government. However, post-mining ban situation on the revenue front has become more worse. State GDP is expected to fall by almost 5,000 crores, but government has continued market borrowings. RBI report is another warning bell for Parrikar government. Bureau Report, Prudent.
In a major haul, coastal police nabbed 11 fishing trawlers from Karnataka illegally fishing near Kudborn jetty on Sunday morning. Almost 24 more trawlers eloped as the state coastal police were ill-equipped with speedboats required for such major operations. Minister Avartan has admitted the lack of machinery for such operations and said the demand for more speedboats will be placed before the CM during his visit to jetty on Monday.
After successful operation at Beti, now State Coastal Police at Betul have captured 11 fishing trawlers from Karnataka fishing outside the permissible nautical miles at Kudborn jetty. Though police succeeded in nabbing 11 trawlers, almost 25 trawlers eloped from the scene due to lack of machinery and speedboats with Fisheries Department. The operation was carried out at around 11 on Sunday morning. Seized 10 trawlers belong to Karnataka Udupi Malpe jetty, while one trawler is from Karwar.
Total 11 boats. They were within 5 nautical miles. They were supposed not to come within 5 nautical miles for fishing. Accordingly, all the boats are intercepted and we have seized the boat, 11 boats, along with the crew members.
Minister Avartan Furtad, while admitting the lack of infrastructure, said that he will be demanding for more speedboats. CM Parrikar is expected to visit and inspect Kudborn jetty on Monday.
Last time they were caught, but we left them because we had not caught them to the proper channel. This time, Coast Guards, the Goa police, they were there, then a man from our fishery department was there. And this time we have caught them to a proper channel. So this time we are just not going to leave them without booking them for a case. 100% will book them for the case.
But is infrastructure a problem to the Coastal Police or the Department of Fisheries?
It is, but we'll try to improve the thing because we don't have high-speed boats with us. So these engines are high-speed engines. Our engines, we can't catch up to them. So we require high-speed boats, which I have already told the CM, and he has promised to give us the high-speed boats.
The fishermen and crew members of the seized trawler are in police custody at present. Police are further investigating the matter. Decision on disposing the confiscated fish catch will be taken soon after CM's visit on Monday. Pratik Parab for Prudent.
A fishing trawler submerged at Shapura on Saturday night. Owner of boat claims that sandbar during low tide caused wreckage and drowning of the boat. Shapura Society says that drowning of trawlers due to sandbar is a regular phenomenon for the past decade and have demanded for water breakers to avoid such incidents in future.
Shapura Society is upset with the frequent damages to their fishing trawlers due to sandbars, which occurs during a low tide. On Saturday night, another trawler drowned in the river due to sandbar. One of the members complained that boat wreckages and drowning of trawlers has become a regular phenomenon at Shapura.
प्रत्येक वर्सा सांगलेले आसा हांगर आमकां लो टायडाक नसताक लागून सँडबाराचो आमचो पळय शापोराचो रिवराचो जो प्रॉब्लेम आसा तो शापोरा रिवराचो सँडबाराचो प्रॉब्लेम आमी हायर ऑथॉरिटी गव्हर्नमेंट हाचे कडेन सगळे कडेन येल्लो आसा आनी ह्या सँडबाराक लागून आमकां हे इन्सिडंट अशे बोटी आमचे फुट्टा हांगर हो आमी मांडलेलो आसा आमी गव्हर्नमेंटा कडेन परत मागलेले की हे परत आहा पळय तो चॅनल जे मेंटेनन्स करपाचे ड्रेजिंग चॅनलाचे पूण तो केलो ना पूण आमी तेजे कडेन परत मागलेले आसा पूण आतां आमी गव्हर्नमेंटा कडेन डिमांड करता की ह्या हेचे शापोरा रिवराचेर परफेक्ट म्हणजे कायमशीर तोडगो हेचेर कायमचो काडपाक जावो हे आमी आज आमी डिमांड करता शापोरा पोर्ट असोसिएशन.
One of the trawler owner claims that sandbar issues has been going on for the last almost decade and have become nightmare for them. Workers refuse to join their trawlers following repetitive drowning incidences.
येल्ल्या वर्सा आमकां अशें एक प्रॉब्लेम जाता फक्त आमी सकाळी हांगा 7 उजवाडल्या नंतर आमच्यो बोटी भायर वयता 8 बोटी भायर वयता आमच्यो परत 12 भरतेक आमकां भितर येवचें पडटा आमचें फिशींग कितलें जाता तुमी सांगात हेजेर सगळे बोटकार रिना आमी पळय इतले तापल्या की सारके आतां फक्त आमची जीव वचपाची परिस्थिती इतली जाल्ली आसा कसलेच हितून आमकां येना आतां मनीस तर हांगा म्हणटा बोटी बुडटा आमी हांगर येयना फक्त सँडबाराल बोटी तुमचे बुडटा आमी मनीस येना आमी कितें करतले हांगर कशें जगतले हांगर हे सरकारान आमचेर पळोवचें आनी विचारपूस करून कितें तरी बरें तोडगो काडचो हेचेर.
Omkar Farari for Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.